Happy Friday, everyone. Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. I want to start off with the watches and warnings map here from the northwest. Fire weather concerns will remain elevated, if not even at critical levels over the next few days for the intermountain locations. But take a look at that. Purple coloring indicating some winter weather advisories from the northern portions of Montana, even out near the Black Hills of South Dakota. And then these are freeze watches and warnings, or advisories and warnings. We'll talk about that in a second. But there you go. Snow in the highest elevations could actually be quite decent as you get into the northern Rockies there up near Glacier National Park. That snow again kind of winding down from our first system, but another upper level low is now making its way into the western U.S. It'll bring us some moisture here, but also take a look there as we get into Saturday, another little batch of moisture kind of sliding into those particular areas. Meanwhile, in the eastern Pacific, we're watching Hurricane Rosa, Category 4 storm with 145-mile-per-hour winds from early on Friday. This is expected to be lifting north pretty quickly through the weekend and eventually early next week. The center of circulation moving into the southwestern U.S., bringing with it some very heavy rain. Could be looking at several inches of precipitation that could lead to some flooding in the southwest. So just note that by, say, late Sunday and into early next week, we'll have that heavy rain. Another wave of energy has a high probability of tropical formation east of Rosa. And then there is Tropical Storm Kirk still impacting the Lesser Antilles with some gusty winds and heavy rain. This is going to be diminishing as it travels west. That one also has a high probability of tropical formation over the next 5 days, but not expected to be impacting the U.S. Meanwhile, we're still dealing with some flooding from Boston to about D.C. Pockets of heavy rain yet through the day today, but not expecting very much additional heavy rainfall, but still some rain on the way. And then there are those frost and freeze concerns up north. We are looking at daytime high or lows tonight into the 20s, especially as you get into northern Minnesota.